अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, जैसे कि आप जानते ही होंगे मेरा नाम है हमज़ा और ये है स्पॉट टॉक चैनल। जो भी क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड अपडेट्स होते हैं तो मैं ये शेयर करता हूँ। यस्टरडे बहुत अच्छा और अमेजिंग मैच हुआ है बिटवीन आरसीबी एंड पंजाब किंग्स। दैट वाज really dazzling. So I'm getting coming to the RCB, what they have done and how much runs they have made. So let's come. Yesterday RCB team, they have made 241. That was very amazing innings. That was very amazing, like first inning from them. So let's see who had contributed RCB team very much. तो विराट कोहली, बहुत से लोग विराट कोहली के स्ट्राइक रेट पर बात कर रहे थे कि वो अच्छा स्ट्राइक रेट से नहीं खेलता, वो स्लो खेलता है और उसे T20 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए नहीं लेना चाहिए. बट BCCI, they shouldn't think and they should not have think like that we will not select. So they have selected because they know the importance of Virat Kohli, what he has done. अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ, विराट कोहली ने इंडिया को बहुत से बार बचाया है. इस वर्ल्ड कप में भी टूर्नामेंट लाइक मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट 2016 में भी मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट, 2022 में भी मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. तो ये बहुत अच्छी अचीवमेंट है उसके लिए है. और उसने बहुत से अवार्ड ली है ICC की तरफ से, जो कि बहुत बड़ी बात है. अगर मैं बताऊँ कि विराट कोहली ने yesterday he smashed the Punjab King. He had played amazing innings. If I will tell you, he made 92 runs and he took 47 balls. So he took less ball and he made runs. He made the runs very normal. And then how Rajat Patidar, he came to the one down and he handled the team of RCB and he made 55 in a ball of 23. And then Cameron Green, he came to and he had contributed very much because he had made 27 runs and he took 46 runs and he took 27 balls. So that was amazing. They have made in the first inning, and then Danish Karthik, he came and he took 6 balls and make a 20 runs plus. And if I will tell, they have made a 241. It was amazing first innings from them. And if I come back to the bowler Harshad Patel, he took 3 wickets but he has given 38 runs. And Kawarpia, he gave also 33. And Harshdeep Singh, I'm really upset from him because he's selected in a T20 World Cup, but his performance, it is unfortunate and it is 0. But he has given 41 runs, which wasn't good for RCB. And if I come back to and then when the Punjab, they came to the match, so really he has made 61 runs and took 27 ball, like 27 ball. It was amazing from them. Sushant Singh, he also played well. Johnny Bastrop, he little bit contributed, but it wasn't expected from them how he had played, how he hit 100 against, I think so, Mumbai, like that. And if I will tell you, Mohammad Siraj, he is a very amazing player. And when the BCCI, they have selected him, he has been giving performance to the RCB team since for 3 matches. He took 3 wickets, which was very important and which was very necessary to take. And he has given 43 runs. Many people think that he has given a lot of runs, but you should see he took for RCB very important wicket. So it wasn't bad runs. He took wicket. And Singh, he has, he took 2 wickets and he has given 3 hour. And Logie Ferguson, yesterday he played very well because he took 2 wickets and given 29 runs, and it was a 3 hour. But RCB won by 60 runs. RCB ने बहुत अच्छी स्ट्राइक रेट से पंजाब को हराया. और मैं आपको बताऊं कि RCB अभी भी प्लेऑफ में जा सकती है अगर इसके अपना सारे मैचेस हारे और DC अपने हारे और RCB अपने सारे जीते, तो फिर स्ट्राइक रेट पर होगी. और अगर मैं बताऊं कि RCB का स्ट्राइक रेट तो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. पिछले 3-4 मैच से वो बैक टू बैक वन कर रहे हैं. तो ये था अपडेट्स. I hope that RCB, they will reach, but it will be very difficult. But we hope RCB fan, they should take hope that they will play. So this is update. So please इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, like and share. Please subscribe the channel, like and share.